Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the linear equations with fractions, and this is our third video based on linear equation. So here equations are involved with the fractions. So just let's see quickly one example. This is linear equation question. What is linear equation questions? Because x has power 1. So only one x is there. So it is linear equation and power is 1. So let's quickly solve this question and I will tell you step by step. So first thing, what you need to do, you put this 3x plus 1 in a bracket. Okay, so 3x plus 1 in a bracket and 5x minus 3 in a bracket. And then we are going to do cross multiplication. 5x minus 3 we are going to multiply with 6 and 3x plus 1 we are going to multiply with 9. So when we multiply, so if you see 6 times 5, that is 30x, and 6 times 3, that is minus 18. And once you multiply by 9 with 3x, so it is coming here, so it is 27x and plus 9 times 1 is 9. Nice and easy. So first of all, you put equal underneath equal sign. And our main aim is to collect all x terms on the left hand side and rest of the terms on the right hand side. So what do I mean? I can explain you here. So it is minus 18. Let's get rid of this from left hand side. So plus 18 both side. Okay. So we are left this side, that is 30x. Okay. And this is 27x. And 18 plus 9 is also 27. Yeah. Now this x is here, so we can shift this x this side. And how we can do that? So let's do minus 27x both side. Yeah, we don't want this here, so let's do minus 27x both side. Okay, so 30x take away 27x, again equal sign just exactly underneath equal sign. So it is 3x. Okay, and 27x is cancelled out. What is left here? That is 27. Now we want x. Who's troubling here? So 3 is troubling here. So 3 is our troubling number. So let's get rid of this. Yeah, so what we can do, just divide by 3 here and divide by 3 here. So we are left with x equal sign, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. Yeah, so we have got x equal to 9. So if you want to check, I can show you in this example whether your working is right or not. So let's check it. So just draw a line. I'm creating a space this side, so it will be checking this part. Yeah, so for checking, uh, our first term was 6 over 3x plus 1. So let's write down 6 over 3x plus 1. So 6. Replace x with 9. So if there is no sign in between, it means times sign. So 9 times 3, I can write down here 3 times 9 and plus 1. So if you see, so 6 on the new top, that is numerator, 3 times 9 is 27 and 1 28. So we got 6 over 28. And if you simplify, so half of 6 is 3 and half of 28 is 14. So you can leave it here. So our left part of this question is 3 over 14. Now let's quickly do the right part. So right part is 9 over 5x minus 3. So let's write down here uh, 9 over 5x minus 3. So replace x with 9. So it will look like 5 times 9 minus 3. So 9. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 take away 3 is 42. And you can cancel it by 3. So 3 goes in 9 3 times, and 42, you can cancel it by 3, so we got 3 over 14. So you can see our both answers are same, 3 over 14 and 3 over 14. So that's the working. So let's go for another type of fraction problems based on linear equation. So here is this one. So 5x minus 7 over 3x. So what you need to do, there is nothing. If there is nothing, you can always assume there is 1. Okay, so what is the first thing we do? We put it in a bracket. Okay, there is one term, so you no need to put bracket. And we can do cross multiply. So 1 into 5x minus 7 and 2 into 3x. When you multiply by 1, you get same number. 1 times 5x, that is 5x. 1 times minus 7, that is minus 7, equal sign. And 3x times 2 is, that is 6x. Okay, we need to collect x on both sides. So let's see what's happening here. So yeah, so if we multiply 1 with 5x, so we are left with 5x minus 7, and 2 times 3x is, that is 6x. Okay, so we need to collect x on one side. It's up to you. You can do minus 5x both sides or minus 6x both sides. So first of all, you put equal sign here. Let's do plus 7. Let's get rid of this first. Plus 7 and plus 7 both sides. So we are left with 5x, and that is 6x plus 7. Now we want this x term this side. So let's do minus 6x both side. So because we want x on one side, so minus 6x and minus 6x. So 5x take away minus 6x is minus 1x. So 1 we don't write in algebra, and this is cancelled out, and we got 7. So minus x equal to 7. This you can write down, x equal to minus 7. Nice and easy. So checking part you can always do, and here we can show you different checking part uh, all in one go. So this was our question, 5x minus 7 over 3x, yeah, which is equal to 2. So I'm going to replace x with minus 7. So if you multiply minus 7 here, yeah, in this place, so it will be 5 times minus 7, then minus 7, then 3 times minus 7. So 5 times minus 7 is minus 35. Then it is minus 7 and it is minus 21. Minus 35 and minus 7, if you add them, it will be minus 42 and minus 21. And you can easily cancel this minus sign, top minus sign with bottom sign. And 42 divided by 21 is 2. So this is our working, and our answer is right. Let's move on for the next question. Here it is, 2x minus 4 over 3x plus 2 minus 2 over 3. So first thing what we need to do, we'll put this in a bracket. Okay, uh, that's fine. Now multiply by 3 here. So if you multiply by 3 here, so it will be 3 times 2, that is 6x, 3 times 4, that is minus 12. Now multiply by 3x plus 2 with minus 2. Remember, this minus is with numerator. So minus 2 times 3, that is minus 6x, and minus 2 times 2, that is minus 4. Okay, so let's get rid of 12 first. So it is minus sign, then put opposite sign, that is plus 12 here and plus 12 here. So what happens? This is cancelled out, equal underneath equal sign. So we are left with 6x, and this is minus 6x, and minus 4 plus 12, that is plus 8. Yeah. Now we need to bring this 6x here. So how we can bring it? So just one thing. If we put opposite sign here, that is plus 6x here and plus 6x here. So what will happen? This 6x and 6x becomes 12x. They are no more with us. They are cancelled out, and 12x is 8. Now divide by 12, because here our troubling number is 12. So we can divide by 12 both sides. So if we divide by 12 both sides, so let's write down divide by 12, cancelled out x, and we can cancel it by 4. 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 3 is 12. So we are selecting timetable in which both number are coming. So we got 2 over 3, and checking part you can do yourself. Yeah, now if you see, we got x is 2 over 3, and checking part you can try and just check whether answer is right or wrong. And next question we will move on. So these are your practice questions. Yeah, so you can try these questions, and we'll go for the answer. Pause the video, and I'm giving you time, and then you can come back and always check your answer. Welcome back. Hope you have tried these questions, and let's quickly, I can show you the answer. And here answer will be x equal to 5. If you solve, just check whether you got x is equal to 5. And for this question here, x is equal to minus 20. Yes, and for this question, answer will be x is 17 over 7. If you haven't got right, please try again and check the working. Thank you very much. Bye bye.